Good morning, everyone. We are just getting our walk-in in Windy, Wyoming, and we will be leaving our boot stock site this morning. There he goes. In this video, we actually get our fan upgraded in the air circulation system. Steve talked about that in our regrets video just last week. So stick around, take a look, see if you agree with the fan choice. Let us know in the comments below.
You've heard me discuss the fact that I have an important feature of my heating and air conditioning system is a circulation duct built into the ceiling. This circulation duct pulls air from the bunk to the rear of the camper, and in the case of the air conditioning, it discharges it directly into the top of the air conditioning unit so it's going to be cooled. In the case of the furnace, the heater is at the floor level. The air is discharged out into the main cabin here and the heat rises. In that case, I want to cause that risen air to flow into the bunk, and by pulling air out of the bunk, the air from the cabin will flow into the bunk. The original intention was to use a centrifugal blower. Originally I got two. These are computer fans. They also make computer sized and styled centrifugal blowers. I put them in there. They were very noisy. I wouldn't abide the noise, so I replaced them with these fans here, which are very quiet, but a bladed fan does not have the capacity in the realm of static pressure to pull that much air. So static pressure is required to move air through a duct which has resistance. In order to cause a certain amount of airflow to happen, you have to create a certain amount of static pressure. These fans here, although they can move quite a bit of air in free space, they are not the style necessary for a duct. These ducts only produce about a half an inch of water column of static pressure. The centrifugal fans that I had in here were probably capable of about 2 or 3 inches of water column of static pressure. This cross-flow blower here is capable of about 6 inches of static pressure, and this is really the device I should have started with from the beginning. I knew it, I just didn't want to spend the time and effort and cost to get it. I mean, these fans are $7, $8 a piece. This fan is $40, and that was quite a bargain at the time. This is typically a $60 or $80 device. But when you want to cause a certain amount of air to flow, you have to have the right device to do it. And so this is the right device. It's going to be mounted in the ceiling. I just took this out, and now I'm going to have to build a new mount that will allow this thing to be properly secured and also ducted. So that's today's project.
here it is. This is the inside. The air will flow down the channels here, being inducted into the fan and discharged here directly to the rear of the camper, directly into the intake of the air conditioner or into the room if the air conditioner is not running.
Since we're away from the real shop, he can't fabricate a brand new housing. Instead, he made 3 different panels from the old guide vanes to cover most of the opening space, and then to air seal it, he used aluminum foil tape. Once we are back at the shop, a new aluminum cover will be fabricated with this same shape. Till next week, thank you for joining us and checking out our custom camper and travels. We greatly appreciate hearing from you, especially getting questions on the rig. Click that thumbs up if you like the video, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to follow our rig projects, repairs, and updates along with our somewhat meandering travels in this new rig. We are here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. Comment below on what you'd like to see more of, more Maximus projects, travels, campsite reviews, or just life on the road. We are open to new content ideas. We hope to see you out on the road, and good luck with your working and exploring.